Hey Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is the over-the-door shoe organizer. So definitely use this product for other stuff as well, not just for shoes. But you can see, this is basically what the product looks right here, and it's from this brand right here. And for the one that we got right here, it fits 24 shoes in here. And for each one of these slots right here, I believe it's like a mesh pocket. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So first thing you can see right here, they provide you guys a little hanger that you can hang over your door. And it looks like they provide you guys 4 of these right here. This is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when you guys open up, this is basically what it actually looks like right here. So you see the way how they designed the shoe organizer definitely looks really nice. But definitely love like the color scheme on here where it's like black and white. Kind of like a 3D design or look to it, which is pretty cool. If you guys can see, the product is definitely pretty long. So long to the point where I can actually fit it in the whole entire screen. But you guys look at the top part right here. This is where you're going to put the hangers on here to hang it over your door. And I believe they use like a metal or stainless steel material on here, which is pretty high quality. But this is basically what it actually looks like in the front. When we turn it around to the other side, this is what it looks like in the back part right here. So this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually go set this up and show you guys how to install it first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got my hanger set right here. Let me actually hang this on top to show you guys what it actually looks like. And I'm using my HP tower ladder that I have right here, or step stool. So you basically want to hang it on here, you want to hang it on right here, and you want to hang it right here, and also right here as well. Alright, so once you guys install it, this is basically what the product looks like right here. So you definitely have all these space right here to actually hang the stuff on here. So where you're going to put like your shoes, if you guys want to put a power bank, you can definitely do all that on here. Let me actually put some stuff on here and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so one thing that I noticed when I actually put this on, it's very spacious, and they mentioned how it actually fits up to size 13 shoes. It's much bigger than a lot of other ones that are out there in the market today that fits like regular shoes. Alright, so you see that we have 4 different pairs of shoes on here. And like I mentioned, you can definitely put other stuff here as well, not just shoes. So maybe if I want to put like this right here, some trash bag right here. If I want to put like a water bottle, I can definitely put that in here as well. So that way everything is all organized right here, if you can see. And this is literally so spacious and definitely put a lot of stuff on here. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully install it. If you can see, it definitely looks very nice. I definitely love the mesh pocket here as well, so that way actually allows the product to be breathable. So if I put shoes on here, that's really nice as well. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully install it. If you can see, on the other side of the door right here, we have it set up like this. So we put a bunch of board games on this side and some other stuff as well, such as tea and snack and etc. If you can see, there's definitely a lot of space on this one as well, but doesn't have that mesh material on here. I think I prefer the mesh material if you guys want to use that for like shoes or whatever. So that actually allows the product to breathe. Because this one right here is like a clear plastic material, so it doesn't really have room for the shoe to breathe and everything. So that's why the other one is actually better if you guys want to use it for shoes. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set up for this one as well. That's from the brand called Simple Houseware. Welcome back, guys. So 90 quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work and actually works quite well. Super easy to install the product. Basically all you're going to do is actually put the hangers through each one of these holes right here that I show you guys, and you can basically hang this over any of your doors. As long as the door is big enough to actually support this product right here, then you should be fine. But definitely see that once we actually set up the product, it actually looks very, very nice, and that way actually keeps all your shoes and stuff all organized as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to keep everything all organized and you don't want everything to be all cluttered or all over the place, then definitely getting one of these are super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.